Hey everyone, in this video I'm showing you how to make a super easy and delicious sour cherry clafoutis. This is a 24cm glass baking dish that I buttered and lined with erythritol. To it I'm adding 650 grams of thawed sour cherries. You can also use fresh, just make sure you pit them. Arrange them in an even layer and set the dish aside for now. In my mixing bowl I have 4 eggs. I'm mixing them just a little to have a homogeneous mixture, and then I'm adding 100 grams of erythritol. Of course, you can use any other natural sugar substitute you like. Mix for 1 or 2 minutes on a low to medium speed, and then add a generous teaspoon of vanilla bean paste. I'm gonna link to the vanilla I prefer in the description below. Add a tiny amount of salt and mix again. Then add 40 grams of melted butter. The butter should be warm but not hot, and immediately afterwards 250 milliliters of milk. And finally, with the mixer on a low speed, spoon in 100 grams of all-purpose flour. Adding the flour gradually at a low speed ensures that you won't have any lumps and your clafoutis will be as smooth as possible. Once the flour is incorporated, you can stop the mixer. Pour this sunny, vanilla-scented batter over the sour cherries. Scrape the bowl to make sure you get every vanilla seed in there. Rearrange the displaced cherries with your spatula and then bake the clafoutis at 160 Celsius for 45 minutes for a very creamy result. If you prefer it more set, give it 50 minutes. The clafoutis will deflate a bit as it cools down to room temperature. Give it a good 3 hours for that. Don't forget to give this recipe a thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time, dessertophiles!